Hello everyone, welcome to our first session of learning Persian alphabet. Today we have actually 6 alphabet as you can see, and we are going to talk about them, how they sound, and we have a phonetic. Actually you can see, which let's hit it. The first alphabet is Aleph. We call it Aleph. It's just a simple line, as you can see. It's not that too hard, and imagine that's a line. You should write it just like this. That's not too hard, as you can see, and it sound Aleph. We called it Aleph. A. As you can see, the phonetic A. And in the future session, we are going to talk about the different sound of Aleph, B, and different of them. And the second one is B, actually E, the phonetic E, B. And the way of writing this is just actually like this. Imagine that's a line. You have to write it just like this. I'm going to write a letter bigger. Just like this. That's not too hard, as you can see. Yeah, just like this, with 1 point. And as you can see, it has 2 forms, and in the future session I'm going to tell you why it has 2 forms and where we use them. Okay, the third one is sound like P. As you can see, P, the phonetic E, P. And the way of reading it is way of writing it is just like B, and it has just a simple difference. It has 3 points. Okay, and the way of writing it is just like this, with 3 points, as you can see, with 3 points. That's not too hard, and it has 2 forms like B. The fourth one is T, with phonetic E, as you can see, E, T. And the way of writing it is just like this, just like B and P. Imagine that's a line. That's not too hard. And the difference of between B and P and T is just P has 3 points under it, B has 1 point under it, and T has 2 points up it. Okay, it is above it. Okay, and the fifth one is C, called C, phonetic C. As you can see, C. Okay, and the way of writing it is just like B, P, and T. And the difference between of this and that is it has 3 points up it, above it. And the way of writing it is just like this. As you can see, that's not too hard. Okay, let's go to the next one. It is Jim, and I have a simple way to learn this. Name Jim. We have a name Jim in English, and it is exactly like Jim, but when you want to use it in a word, it is different sound. But the name of this alphabet is Jim. Jim. It is a little hard to write it, but I'm going to explain it for you. It is like this. Imagine that's a line. As you can see, it has 2 forms too, like B, P, T. It is just like this. As you can see, I'm going to show you a little slower. Imagine that's a line. That's not too hard. and the second form of it, yeah, as you can see, that's not too hard. I'm going to show you without the line a little bit here. But it shouldn't be just like this. It is a simple way to write it. It should be just like this. A little faster, as you can see. 1, 2, and 3. You should practice to learn it again. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video, and that was it. Aleph, B, P, T, S, and Jim. Okay, and I'm going to write it for you one by one. Imagine that's a line. And the last one. Okay, I hope you have a good day, and that was it, the first session of us, and yeah, that was it. It is our first session, and let's end it. Good. Bye. Bye.